Hello, now we continue our Othello. I already finished some 35 lines that you maintain the lines on the right side so that once we stop the class you mark there, because this textbook is a very lengthy one and we will take ample time to finish it off. If you understand the proper way and finishing it off is difficult. So on the right side units given, and I have stopped by 35 in the last class. Now we continue from line 35. Means what? Rodrigo and Iago now on the street, they make a discussion and the matter related to Othello to be informed to Brabantio. Brabantio, who is this Brabantio? Father of Desdemona. So today some noisy problems happening here, and Iago wants to instigate Rodrigo to inform Brabantio about this illegal marriage. So this is the scene that we come across. Iago, but there is no remedy, it's a curse of service. Preferment goes by letter and affection. What does it mean? Why? Rodrigo asking Iago, why you are behind Othello always? And why do you make me to talk to Othello in future? I think you are the best friend of Othello and this happening. And why are you so very hurried to inform Brabantio? And actually, can I believe that you are also behind me to harass me in future? But there is no remedy. I have rather would have been his hangman, Rodrigo reports. If I am afraid that I would kill him. That time Iago reports there is no remedy. It's a curse of service. Preferment. The promotion goes by letter. Why Othello promoted Cassio to be a lieutenant? But he has taken his whims and fancies. But for my case, so many recommendations came. So many people wrote a letter to Othello, but he did not mind. So preference of letter and affection, not by the old gradation. And even Othello does not look to the seniority. I have sufficient seniority to be the head, but he doesn't mind. I have seniority to be a lieutenant, but Othello made a very primary, small elementary student like Cassio to be his lieutenant. He did not mind old gradation. Underline gradation means what? Seniority. Gradation, grading. Once Othello looks the grade of my service, he would definitely promote me to be a lieutenant, but he did not do, deliberately did not do. Why? He had some malignance against me, where each second stood heir to the first. I stand heir means what? The man who has the right. I am the person who has the right to become his lieutenant in order to uphold the status of our country. But he made Cassio a simple arithmetic man, a simple common soldier to be his lieutenant. Be judge yourself, where I in just term as an affind to love the more. How this is happening? Then how do you think that I love Othello? How much can I love him? Because he denied my promotion. Nowadays, getting promotion is also very, very difficult thing. The people like Iagos are there. If promotion is given, Iago's will be coming front, and from the back they will make poisoning. I have also got a lot of experiences in my life. Iago's are there. They are not coming in the front, but from the back they will be biting and biting. You know, that is the fact nowadays. What is the mistake Casio actually did? Actually, Casio got a promotion by the influence and the recommendation of Othello himself. But this Iago, who says he wants to be promoted, plan to kill Casio and cheat Othello. This is the present world everywhere going. You will also get experience when you become a promoted person in future. I have experienced a lot in my life. Now also I am feeling so much Iagos in everywhere. In my personal life, in my career life, I have seen so many Iagos. That is why Shakespeare says in Hamlet, smiling and smiling and smiling, yet to be a villain means what? Person in front of you will be smiling, but they will cheat you. That is why Shakespeare telling smiling and smiling and smiling. People will seem to be smiling in front of you, but mind you, one day they will cheat you. This is Iago's nature. Not merely from Elizabethan age, in the present 21st century also, we find so many Mr. Iagos and Mrs. Iagos, lot of Mrs. Iagos, everywhere we find. That if you do not find so far, definitely you will find an Iago in future life. That is a fact you remember. In the same way here, Iago's plan, no, I will be acting like a lovable person to him. But in my mind there are so many plans. This is what Iago talks to Roderigo. It is Iago's duty to make him very happy, because as Roderigo reported, purse had been controlled by Iago. Every day spending too much money for liquor and everything. So we have to consider Roderigo. So, my dear friend, be judge yourself where I am in just term and affined. I am affined. I will show just like an affinity. I will show cordiality. I will show love to him. But no, to love the more, I am not really bound to love him, but I will act like love him. Roderigo, I would not follow him then. Means what? If this Othello is such a person, I don't want to talk to him. That is the poison instigation now given by Iago. What is called Tamil Tallikya, alright. X is bad talking to Y is bad talking to Z. Then there will be a confusion. This is the cunning activity what our Iago now does. Iago says, that one Roderigo says, it is better to keep away from him. Why such a double sharpened sword like person? Why should there are so many people are there double both sides very sharpened. Iruthala wall. Such people you have to identify. Otherwise your head will be cut by Iruthala wall poisoned people. There are so many people in the world like double sword people. So Iago's telling, like this, my dear, I have kept some plans against him. In the same way, Roderigo says, I think it is better to keep away from him. I don't follow him then. Iago, or sir, can't you I follow him to serve my turn upon him? Do you think I serve him, follow him very sincerely? No, I follow him in a different way. We cannot be all masters. Very big philosophy. Now Shakespeare telling through Iago, everybody cannot be masters. We cannot easily become masters. Nor all masters cannot be truly followed. That means what? That means what? We cannot easily become master. In the same way also, we cannot easily follow all the masters. Let all the master go in their way. We do our duty. So masters, they are standing on a position and we follow not blindly, but have to keep certain programs in our mind, Rodrigo mind. We cannot be all masters and nor all masters cannot be truly followed. You shall mark many duties, underline duties, means dutiful. Knee crooking knave. We cannot be just like a boying man. Oh, Ram, when master says, now sun is there, okay, my lord. Now moon is there, okay, my lord. No, such people are their slaves. Masters should be masters and subjects should be servants, It doesn't mean servant does not have freedom. This is 21st century. Masters will be masters and servants will be servants. Servants have their own freedom. Masters should not control them. So, a master cannot be easily followed. Means what? You should have some tactics. Otherwise, you will be a slave. You will be a slave to the master. Many duties, knee crooking, just like kneeling down whenever master is on the side. You have to kneel down, surrender. How do you surrender? You are also a human being. The 21st century facing socialism, democracy and everything, but still you want to kneel down before, like a slave before the master. What is the problem? No, masters will be there and servants will be there. They are making the journey in the different route. That doting of his obscure bondage. Every master demands that we should be their slave. I don't want to be their slave. Why should I want to be their slave? Alright, this is a type of what you call instigation and poisoning. Alright, such poisoning, such people's things cannot be easily discarded. So, Iago is a very, very inflammable character. In all the world, some people are there showing their quality. Their quality in that way. Even Iago becomes the synonym of the person who has angry or wrath against others, but he keeps everything in his mind. Such characters are available everywhere in the society. So people say such characters are now synonyms. They become what you call pariyayam of jealousy, at the same time poisoning others, making others quarrel. Such qualities are there. Even in the humorous way, people say no, because in order to show what I have read in somewhere, റേഷൻ കടക്കാരൻ്റെ ഭാര്യ പ്രസവിച്ചു, കുട്ടിക്ക് തൂക്കം കുറവാ. ആരോ പറഞ്ഞു സ്വാഭാവികം. എന്താണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം? ദിസ് ഈസ് റേഷൻ കടക്കാരൻ്റെ ഭാര്യ പ്രസവിച്ചു, കുട്ടിക്ക് തൂക്കം കുറവാ. അപ്പോൾ വേറൊരുവൻ അഭിപ്രായപ്പെടുന്നത് സ്വാഭാവികം. ഇൻ ദ സെയിം വേ our Iago's telling, Iago has become a synonym of jealousy and wrath and angry or poison to make others quarrel each other and die themselves in future. In the same way, the person who is running the ration shop or public distribution shop, PDS shop, equal to, synonymous to what? He will keep it 100 or 200 grams less in everything. So, where there is weightless is equal to the person who is running the ration shop, somebody said. In the same way, Iago has become an epitome or symbol or synonym of what is called jealousy, or what is called the poison of making others quarrel. So doting, obsequious bondage wears out to time the master's us for not provender, underline provender, maintenance, where he is old casued. My dear Rodrigo, you wait and see. One day or another day, he will be dismissed. He will be dismissed means here cashiered in the sense dismissed. That is the plan present, what do you call, Iago's making others to dismiss, because I find jealousy on him, because I find a bad opinion on him, so I cannot do anything, but I will make my masters do it. That is a technique everybody follows. Here when she is old and cashiered, otherwise you whip me. That is a modern method of understanding. If you do not see like that, you call me like this in the people day. Otherwise you whip me. You just beat me or whip me if he is not dismissed, unless he is dismissed in near future. Whip me such honest knaves, others they are whom trimmed in forms and visages. They are trimmed and dressed and visages. They have a different mask. But this is not the problem. One day or another day, in a very short time, I will teach them a lesson. That is a fact. We trimmed, keep yet their hearts attending on themselves and throwing but show service on their lords. Let them, particularly Cassio, let him serve Othello. Othello serve the duke. Let all the people serve their masters. But one day or another day, I am going to make a problem. The problem which cannot easily be discovered by others. Do well thrive the men when they have lined their course to themselves homage, though fellows have soul. If anybody has that spirit, and such one I profess, I claim, profess means claim myself. For sir, it is as you are, Rodrigo. This is plainly taking conversation. You mind your words. You keep these words with you. If you are Rodrigo standing in front of me, നീയേ റൊഡരിഗോയാണെങ്കിൽ, ഞാൻ ഇയാഗോയാണെങ്കിൽ, the things will happen like that. So Rodrigo, call me like this. If I don't do any activities to teach a lesson for these people, otherwise call me like this. And such a one day confession myself, sir, it is as you are Rodrigo. Were I the Moor, I would not be Iago, because Moor has his quality, Iago has Iago's quality. It cannot easily be discriminated. So, no, this is not a temporary angry towards him. I maintain a parallel wrath and angry towards Othello. That is the way to react on Cassio. One day or another day, I will teach them a lesson. Were I the Moor, I would not. That these two lines are very important. Underline. Were I the Moor, I would not be Iago. Means what? Moor will have Othello. Moor means Othello. Othello has his own qualities, but me has a lot of qualities. It is different from Othello. If I were the Moor, if I were in his position, I would not be Iago. Means what? I would not have created any more Iagos. Means the direct thing I would do. Means what? I would recommend, I would promote the right person. You follow me or not? Or I lost you somewhere. What is he says? Were I the Moor? Were I the Moor? If I were Othello, I would have taken correct decision. Means what? I would have promoted the correct person to be a lieutenant. Means what? I would not have created dissatisfied egos. Now, I am not a Moore that I cannot be Iago. Means what? If I were in his position, I would have done it in a different way. I would never create. So mind you, wherever possible, whenever you reach in a high position, should remember, there will be so many Iagos. You should go by the real decorum of the seniority. We cannot give any exemptions in this seniority or grading level. That is the reason Iago has become a real Iago who has become what? An enemy to Othello. That may be the reason Shakespeare says, if I were Othello, I would have not created an Iago. Means what? No Iago's dissatisfied people will be there. But I go only by the real strict rules in following him. I follow but myself. I follow but myself. I will follow my own way, not in other way. I will follow my way. Heaven is my judge. Now we come to line number 60. Heaven is my judge. In my world, my true conscience is my judge. Nor I for love and duty, but seems for my peculiar end. I don't, in the general service, I don't mean for any peculiar end. Means what? Any special interest, personal interest. For when outward action does demonstrate the native act, figure of my heart in compliment extern, compliment extern, show. It is no longer after. I will wear my heart upon my sleeve. Underline this phrase. My dear Roderigo, I am ready to talk to you one thing. If cases are going in this way, I am ready to show you what I am going to do. I will wear my heart upon my sleeve. I will show you what is going to happen. I will show you. If it is the matter going in this way, I will show you what will be done. Doves to pack it. Otherwise, let the doves come and peck my ideas. Means what? Definitely, I won't allow them to live in a happy world. I don't allow them to live happily because they have cheated me. Othello cheated me and Othello cheated you. Like that, we together should stand and teach them a lesson. We cannot easily allow them to live happily. I am not what I am. Underline, I am not. Don't make an assessment on me. I am not what I am. Earlier he announced he knows his price, like, don't teach me which side of the bread is to be buttered. In the same way, Iago, present Iago also say, in the front and the appearance, physical appearance, we will find them like a saint and a goddess. But in their mind, there are so many devilish spirits. In the same way, Iago says, don't make assessment on my behavior. I have kept something other than in my mind. I am not what I am. Roderigo, what a full fortune does this thick lips. Oh, thick lips. Othello has thick lips because he has come from a different race, and he has a thick lip. So Roderigo calls Othello, he is a thick-lipped person. If he carries this, Iago, we can do something now. Call up her father. Now we almost reached in front of Brabantio Desdemona's house. Call up her father. Roderigo asked, what shall we do, my lord, during this situation? Then Iago recommend, call up her father, rouse him, make after him, rouse him. Maybe this is now almost midnight, 2 o'clock. Now he may be sleeping. So call him, call up her father, rouse him, and make after him, this him Odalu. We have to info this matter to Desdemona's father. And let Desdemona's father, Brabantio, go behind Othello. Poison his delight. Underline. Poison. Such a beautiful language Shakespeare used. What you can do? Poison his delight. He is going to enjoy nuptial night. Nuptial night means first night. First night. ആദ്യ രാത്രിയിലേക്ക് പ്രവേശിക്കുകയാണ്. That should be spoiled. Look. So let Brabantio, you call and shout and rouse him in the midnight. Let him go and tell police people, arrest him, make some problems so that this night to be spoiled. What night? Nuptial night. What night? Nuptial night means first night. After their marriage, they should not live happily, my dear. So poison him very plentifully, very easily. Poison his delight, or the Lord's delight. Who will be liking this matter in the first night itself? There is a problem. So Roderigo, along with Iago, planning to make a commotion, make a definitely a big problem in the city of Venice, and all the people's concentration now focusing what Othello and Desdemona have been doing. Can they live in a happy mood? No. That is the poisonous character of our Iago. Call up her father, rouse him, make after him, make him run behind Othello, and poison his delight, poison his Othello's delight to be quenched, the delight to be stopped. He must not be allowed to live happy mood. Proclaim him in the street, incense her kinsmen. Okay, incense her. Incense means infuriate. Infuriate means injecting poison. Let all Desdemona's relatives come. Let all Brabantio's parental people come. Make a big commotion in the city of Venice. And see, this night is not a night but a day. All the people should have. So proclaim him in the street. Incense her kinsmen, relatives. Incense means infuriate. Make a angry by poison. Though he in a fertile climate dwell, this Othello, now he says, now he feels he is in the comfort zone. He is not in the comfort zone. We won't allow, because some people are like that. They won't allow. For what purpose they are doing? Nothing, but I don't like. He should not enjoy that position. He should not do like that way. Simply telling, why? This is a fact. This is the problem where people are there like simply jumping into the field where let it be there like in this sense what? They will feel like that. So incense her kinsmen, though he in a fertile climate, in the sense that now Othello plans a honeymoon. Let the honeymoon will be over. Let them go to Uti. Let them go to Maduri. Let them go to Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Simla. I will show them what they are going to see. Their honeymoon. I will make a lesson. Kinsmen, he in the fertile climate dwell. Plague him with flies. Plague mean, underline plague mean torment. Continuously, constantly disturb. Means what? Such a malignant evil spirit in Iago. This Iago is not 15th century Iago. Iago's character was taken from drama Sindhu by Shakespeare. It was related to Russian folklore stories, and now Iago coming, that Iago from 16th century reaches in 21st century also. Such Iagos we can easily find. As I referred, they will be telling us flat words of flattery, judiciously telling that we are like Mammootty, Mohanlal, but sitting on the shoulder. In the morning we'll find our ears will be gone because their character is like that. So my dear friends, you should be very careful with your friends of Iagos. Call up her father, arouse him, make though vexation, plague him with flies, though his joy be a joy. Let him get joy, no problem. Yet to throw such changes of vexation on it, as it may lose some color. It's a color, underline color, means let him enjoy, no worry, but the color of the enjoyment, color of the happiness, what the real sense of happiness should be lost. It's like we say paint the city red. That is a modern phrase, paint the city red. Means what? Once you get very much pleasure, you people make a hilarious happiness. In the way, Othello is going to paint the bedroom red in color. Iago and Othello and Desdemona are going to paint their bedroom in red color, means they are going to be happy. But Iago is a whitewasher coming to paint it in black color. Why? Their red color to be spoiled, means their pleasure to be spoiled, their happiness to be turned to be unhappiness. I will teach a lesson. This color I will be making it lose, my dear. So what is their plan? What Iago and Roderigo now planning? Let us see what is going to happen in the next class. Till that moment, goodbye.